Let's make it small in the corner. Getting everything set up. No, I'm not talking to you. Does it kind of mess it up? Nah, it doesn't mess it up. Okay. Now let me. Where's Discord? Um. But it's still on. Okay. I guess. Let me see. Let me just check Discord because I can just see.
Clearly, that's his daughter. Yeah.
It was mine when I belonged to the world. You want money for your own door? The Rock wants it. So you must bring it.
Oh, I can't connect on the other device. That's why it's doing that. So what I'm gonna do is instead just gonna keep it on that window because we got voice too.
Somebody hurt you? No. Why was that guy stand there for so long? I don't know. Does he work here? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, what's his name? Don't worry about it. I'm not worried about him. What's his name? I don't know. Mike or something. You're lying. No, I'm not. You ain't sure about that? Yes. Look, when you just, you need to go upstairs and get some sleep and, I need to go home. It's good to see you. You too. Don't worry about it.
Can you turn it down like 2 little notches?
Press. Press. You do that. Night. Oh.
I forgot I've been started that recording.
Oh, you got balls. What's that? You said you have balls. So do you, sir.
Let's go ahead and start getting right with it.
You have balls, right?
I can at least see
I'm pretty sure I just saw them in there.
down here.
I'm her boyfriend, sir.
Let's unmute.
Okay, well, obviously that's not true. You've
Better.
officially downgraded.
I guess I'll just put Discord down because I can see that. I can see from over here. Back to entry at Euro, on Euro. But this area. We wanted it to dig into it anyway. When it came into it here, it didn't get into it that well. So I ain't gonna lie, I like price here. We're down here because of the fact that we got all this recession talk going on right now. Along with a whole bunch of other assets dropping, Nasdaq drop, Bitcoin dropping. But I'm buying the dip. I ain't gonna lie, I like the dip. I like the dip because it's just around surrounding like Doge and whatnot. But all that's gonna cool in the next like month or two, and I think it'll make these positions that we're able to get around now, you know, worth it. Good for Nessie. I'm in two buy positions right here at current price on Euro USD. If you can see, if it'll give you y'all a fair view, at least on the recording. But I have two positions like right here. One that's like slightly in a little bit of profit, one that's not. So I usually don't like to add too much to positions, but you know, this is technically like a re-entry that we were looking for up there. It just went ahead and kept selling off. So I'm gonna take one more small position, and by small I mean I'm taking a 0.02 on my 1 to 500 leverage account. Okay. All my funded traders, you're on 1 to 100 accounts, so I mean a 0.01 would be fine, honestly. Let's take a look at Bitcoin though. Price action. We got some television in the background, so don't be flustered by it. Watching a show called The Oval. It's actually really, really good. Me and my wife have been binging it for the past like 2 weeks.
You need me to turn it down
Hmm? Maybe a notch, just so we don't get copyrighted, because I am posting the recording. Nachos, top tier. My wife, top tier. Okay. I said the trading call started at 12. It's only 11:55, so we're gonna wait for some folks to trickle in from VIP. Can I have one of those? Mm-hmm. That's not what happened. We had these levels sort of marked off from way over here, as you could see, when there were some other things going on and whatnot to who dad. And if you take a look, it seems like these levels have held true to be, you know, key levels. Uh-oh. I am gonna post at least half of this trading call on YouTube, just so y'all can see kind of like the value that we kind of try to bring with the live trading calls. This is going on in the Discord, being streamed in the Discord right now. I'm recording it with Vimeo on my laptop, so that's how I'm kind of going about that. But let me go on the daily chart real quick. Look a little better, yeah. Tripping. So we take this last little swing low, and yeah, it looks perfect. This is probably part of why I had those levels there. But from a mathematical standpoint, this looks beautiful for. Excuse me. Looks beautiful for the growth of Bitcoin as far as like going forward. So I'd expect us to. Let me do that. I expect us to get down here and get into this box here, honestly. like 72K. Um, and then probably consolidate, make a range in this area, and then fundamentally find some reasons to start back going higher. And I'll just leave this level here because we have no idea how long it's gonna take. So I'll just kind of leave this level here, knowing that it boxed price in, before. Because I honestly thought we were gonna go towards 120 sooner, but I mean, it'll happen when it happens. So right now, I mean, like the current overall consolidation that's forming right now for Bitcoin is like 108 to 72. You know what I mean? We'll like I wouldn't be surprised if we stayed in this range for a good bit of 2025, and then like towards the end of the summer, whatnot, when liquidity starts flooding back into the market again. You know how it happens. We start breaking these highs, seeing all time highs and whatnot. But I mean, we could see all time highs before that for sure. But that's what I'd probably predict on what would happen for this year on Bitcoin. And I think that's gonna allow a lot of assets to move higher, like over time, because Bitcoin is running up and then running down, running up, running down. Bitcoin's a lot bigger, more volatile. If Bitcoin runs up, you know, from a relative standpoint, you'll get similar run-ups in things like Euro USD, AUD USD, Nasdaq, and when Bitcoin runs down, those assets don't run down as hard. They'll run down with it, yeah, as you can see what's going on, but the relative amount is a lot less that I've seen in my years of trading. So I feel like this consolidation that we're talking about here on Bitcoin definitely allows room for a lot of the assets that we trade to grow. Let's take a look at AUD, USD. I don't understand why she won't either. We're just right up under where I was thinking about getting an entry for mathematically. Which was this whole area here. We could just kind of open that box. Well, I mean, we don't really need the box. It's there. Let's come down. Yeah, super oversold. I think the area I was looking for was about like these lows, these swing lows here. So we already broken these swing lows. There's I guess, quote unquote support right here. That could potentially hold price, but I wouldn't bet on it. But I don't think we go below these lows here again. I think like any type of trade that looks like this is mad reasonable. You know what I mean? Because like I said, we're already in oversold territory. You know what I mean? This is, I mean, at minimum 1 to 2 risk to reward. I'm likely to swing it, but I'm not gonna get in right now like I am on. Like I'm already in on Euro. I'd like to see her. I'd like to see her like come down and kind of make a bullish looking formation first, and then like higher we go, begging please for the culture. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, I definitely like to see some kind of formation happen. But I mean, like I said, if Bitcoin continues to go lower, as well as gold, then it's gonna keep pulling this lower, and we're not gonna see that bullish looking formation if it just melts through. I'm not just gonna put like a random pending order there. But while we're talking about it, XA. So, as you can see, our gold trade went well.
You messy.
and I mean very well. So we marked this up on, I believe, the Sunday video last week, and we put this here. Um, like I said, superb trade, superb trade. Um, that was basically given out to the world for free. But people don't be clicking on the videos all the time. It's like, I don't know why when like things like that happen. We're likely gonna see. I think from here I think this level gets broken. Um, I feel like this level getting broken and giving us this full retracement here, would give AUD USD the kind of room we need to go down a little bit more, make a bullish looking formation, and then start buying. All right, because like if we could get all the recession talk to, you know what I'm saying, cool down just a little bit in the next, coming week, probably with Powell saying some things, or some other Fed chair speaking about it, get some type of cool down in the market and let everything start consolidating. Because I mean, like, this is a good move. I mean, this is a really good move we caught here. You can't complain when you got 6,000 points. You know what I mean? It's hard to say. You know what I'm saying? You ain't had a chance to make none. You know what I mean? And that was given out, like I said, to the free chats, and put out on YouTube. So if you're watching this video, the replay, make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button, and the bell icon so you get notified when we drop videos, so you can be up to date and get the latest updates on what's happening, what's going on. Keep it tapped in, because listen, the bird will do it. I'm the bird, so I see from the right angle. But I want to look at Nas Diddley. Yeah, this level got shattered, and it got shattered then rejected. So just melted then rejected. So we're still pushing down from it. So probably next target is pretty clear here. Yeah. I'd say though, if you wanted to trade a sell on it, to look for a buy to happen this week a little bit, just a little volatility buy, and try to get a higher entry anywhere than where we are now. Because I know, we are targeting here. Price will be down at 20K soon. But I think best price we could probably get. Let me get rid of this box here. It just doesn't make sense. Will be like right here. So you get something out of here, or shit. I mean, like, it melted so crazy. Like, that was. I want to see something real quick. Throw that fib on that mouth. Yeah, nah. So like, I think what would be better is if we. I don't know if that's likely though. I mean, I'd like a sell from up here, but I don't know if that's likely. You know what I mean? So we'll watch price action and see. We'll see because I think some earnings are gonna come out. I mean, earnings have came out over the last couple of days, pretty mixed. But there's gonna be some more reporting that comes out this week. That's gonna tell us. Not really. Well, it's gonna tell us what price is gonna do, and price is gonna do it. So Nasdaq is a wait and see. But we've been saying a sell-off all the way back down to these levels is not a problem. Even a sell-off back down to these levels is not a problem. It would just be, necessary for this super duper extra bullish trend that we have here, and it would allow us to go further in 2025. Okay, so like, you see all this divergence, it's bound to happen. So, like, honestly, I don't want to act like there's any kind of possibility of buys for Nasdaq right now, because I don't want it to buy right now. I like it selling off. I like a lot Nasdaq selling off right now because that means, you know, we're gonna get a good discount. Need a good discount because these prices are gonna come back. These highs are gonna come back. You know, but I got a son on the way. You know, and a discount around the time he born. That's great. He get older, just more up off. You know what I'm saying? Passive investments. Because I like to I do trade Nasdaq, but I like to passively invest in it too. So, you know what I'm saying? Whatever app you use, Robinhood, what have you, throw a couple dollars in it every month. VOO, SMH. There's a few ETFs out there that track the Nasdaq that are kind of like, you know, smaller cap, so it's, you know, easier for you to build up a portfolio with them. So I encourage all of y'all to do that. I hate that not many joined for the live call today, but that's fine. It's fine because I'm posting this on YouTube, so I can make sure I'm bringing value to everybody. But I'm about to hit the 30-minute mark for this little recording software I'm using. So, I'm gonna need to tune out on that part. And in Discord, I'm probably chilling with y'all for another 15, 20 minutes or so. Because it is Friday. I don't like to really open trades much on Friday. You don't know how I do Monday to Thursday. Woo woo. Take profits on Fridays. But we do have some new members and whatnot. So I wanted to just kind of get some content that's really driven towards them. And just kind of like making sure they're getting acclimated to how we look at the markets and how we trade over here at TDB. So thank y'all for tuning in. All right, if you got value out of this, again, hit that like button, hit that sub button, and the bell icon. All three of those in a row speedily tells YouTube that I'm doing great and I'm providing you with some good content and some good value. All right, so I'd appreciate that. I love y'all. Make sure you're kind to somebody today. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.